everyone, I'm Eric Luth, and I'm excited to share that I recently joined Landform Professional Services, and really want to share some thoughts on why I'm excited to be here. So what really interests me about Landform is that we work on our projects like they're our own. I get to develop great partnerships with our clients instead of just being the engineer. Also, I want to do something a little different, something outside of the box, and I get to do that with our current client, AVA, modular housing. So we get to develop sites for them, and we get to help assist them on erecting modular housing units for sale. It's just a great way to work towards affordability and outside the box thinking. And also, traditionally in our industry, a lot of firms just sit around and wait for and bug potential clients to bring projects to them. We have the ability here at Landform, the leniency and the ability and flexibility to bring projects that we can go partner with clients on, which is really exciting, and it's a lot of fun work to do. I guess, a couple fun facts about me. I went to the U of M. I'm really into gopher hockey, wild hockey, high school hockey. I got a son and daughter playing hockey. Probably got to go do some hockey tonight. Yeah, living in hockey. And a couple other things. I was asked at once who I'd like to have a business lunch with. It was probably Ryan Reynolds. That guy just seems like a lot of fun, and he's kind of a jokester. Also, during the summer, I've kind of fancied myself as a pool chemist. It's taken me about 3-4 years to figure out our above ground pool chlorine situation, and algae, but I think I got it pretty close this last year. Other than that, just excited to be at Landform and looking forward to the future and growth with Landform.